Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is the first day of Vlogmas for me for this channel, and today I want to share with you a recipe that I very much enjoyed. These are Krapfen in German, so they're basically just fried dough, but they were very delicious. You want to start out with your chocolate and you want to cut that into very small pieces. Next up, you want to take some dried pineapple and cut that up as well. I wasn't sure about this part, but it added a very nice flavor to these Krapfen. Next, you want to take your milk in a little bowl. You want to add some salt and then some butter, and then you want to wait for this to cook. Now here you can see it's cooking. And now you want to go ahead and add in the flour and then start mixing it until it forms some kind of a dough and it starts making this kind of white residue on the bottom of your pan. So that's when you can take it off the heat. Now you want to go ahead and add in your eggs, and you want to add in one egg at a time and then knead that dough until it is completely combined again. So this will take a little bit of time, but this is really not a complicated recipe, and it's definitely well worth it if you like these kind of fried things, which I do. So this is the last egg here. You wanna again just knead the dough until it is completely combined. Now you want to go ahead and add your honey as well as the chocolate and mix that in first. And when that's completely combined, you want to go ahead and add in the pineapple bits as well. So now your dough is ready. You want to go ahead and heat up some oil in a pan so you can fry it. And using a wooden spoon helps you to see whether the oil is hot enough. So then you want to go ahead and use 2 tablespoons to carefully put the dough into the hot oil. You want to be very careful not to hurt yourself because hot oil is very dangerous. You want to leave them in there for maybe 3 minutes, and then you want to go ahead and turn them around. And the time you leave them in here kind of depends on the size. So you want to turn them around so they get fried from both sides, and just let them in there for another 3 minutes, and then they're ready, so you can take them out. And you just repeat this step up until you have all your dough fried up. So when they're done, you want to put them on a plate with a little bit of paper towel just to soak up the residue oil. And yeah, these will be best when you eat them directly after making them, but you can also keep them for a day or two, but maybe not longer. I really like this recipe. I thought that the chocolate and pineapple mixture was really interesting and something I had never done before, and it was overall just a very, very delicious dessert. So I hope you give it a try. See you tomorrow.